That line smelled delicious. I mean, it smelled so good washing my hair. Hey y'all. So tonight we are getting to this hair for vacation because I am not going to worry about my hair on vacation. So I'm going to be doing a protective style. But with prepping my hair for the protective style, I'm going to be using some new products. And it's their new press and play thermal styling system. I'm going to be using the Press Rewind Curl Retention Shampoo. I'm going to be using the Fast Forward Heat Prep Conditioner. And I'm going to be using the Just Glaze Silkening Fluid. Now, the reason why I'm going to be trying these and I want to try this system out is because I don't want heat damage. And I have not straightened my own hair in probably 3 years. And in this box, which I'm excited to show you, is the second new product that I'm going to be trying for the first time. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but I'm just going to give myself grace if I do get heat damage because honestly it's trial and error and I don't have time to find a hairstylist at this point. I mean, we leave like in 2 days. And I'm new to the area and I haven't been able to find a natural hair person yet. So yeah, that's a whole other thing. But what we're about to do is use these products and see how I like them. And then I'll probably put the kids to bed and then come back and then blow dry my hair. And then tomorrow I will actually install the crochet braids. So let's get to washing this hair. Okay, so this is my hair out the shower. As you saw, I washed it, I conditioned it for 5 minutes. That line smelled delicious. I mean, it smelled so good washing my hair. My hair is very soft. As you could tell, it was so easy to detangle my hair with the shampoo and with the conditioner. The conditioner was a cream, but the slip, amazing. I love a conditioner with a good slip. But now I'm going to use the Silkening fluid, and it said for best results, shampoo, conditioner, shampoo, condition, distribute a small amount through clean, wet hair. Okay, so that's what I'll do. Oh, I guess it's a small amount. I don't know, but this is slippery too. I'm just gonna, this smells delicious too. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna put it all through my hair. It says small amount. I don't know if I used too little. Was one pump a small amount? I'm just scared it's not gonna get on all my hair. We're gonna use another little one. But that's little. We're just gonna use that in the back of my hair. Okay. Okay, now I feel good. Oh man. Have y'all seen the meme where it talks about how naturals, if the product says like use small amount, the natural hair person's gonna use like a big glob of it? That's me. That is me. Now I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections just to get it prepped for when I blow dry it. And then I gotta put these kids to sleep. Basically already dry. No, it's not. It's almost dry, but I am going to separate this into 2 parts. And then we're gonna go ahead and blow dry this section. Maybe I'll do another section. Ooh, my eyeballs are actually, hold on. This Body Butter by Taraji B. Henson. Absolutely amazing. Bye, Ash. Bye. You see that shine, y'all? It smells so good. Okay. Now, let's see how I like this Dyson. I have already attached this comb head to it. So let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's turn it on. That is really light. This is really light, y'all. That took no time. So this is really all I need because I don't want it bone straight. I just want it stretched and easy to manage. And this is perfect. All right, so I'm going to twist this up. And then do another section of hair. I'm using this wide tooth comb first because I don't want to detangle with the hair dryer comb. I keep thinking it's gonna like move my hand. It does not move my hand at all. I'm putting it on the lowest setting. This is so quick. Oh man, I might start stretching my hair more. Especially with these ends. Lord Jesus, I need to do my ends. So, blow dry my hair. It's stretching even more in these twists. Now I'm gonna go find some braid patterns. I've seen some on YouTube for crochet braids. So yeah, I'm gonna research some more to see which one I actually want to do, and then I'm gonna get started on braiding my hair. Okay, so I did my braid pattern off camera, but I did the illusion method in the top half of my hair. If you want to see a tutorial on that, I'll link that tutorial up here. And then in the back, I did the illusion method around the perimeters, and then I just did something right here just to get my hair flat. That's all. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair in my hair. I used the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders to condition my hair around my edges and just to lay them down. And this is what the hair looks like. I got this off Amazon. They're like Boho braids. This is what the hair is looking like. So let's get to crocheting. So this is 1 pack of hair. Thank God I ordered like 2 packs of 8, I think, because this is not much hair at all, in my opinion. Because I like a full look, and that's why I'm filling up this section. But I'm loving the color on me. This is what my hair is looking like. I love it. It's a lot of color. Did not expect, I don't know what I was thinking, honestly, but I'm getting used to it. I think I have some gaps in the back, but you can't really tell right now because of this hairstyle. So I'll fill it in when we get to our destination. But I'm tired. The baby will probably be waking up soon, and I still have to pack my technology and my beauty bags. So I'm just gonna be done with the hair, pack that stuff up, get a little bit of rest because we're leaving at 4:15 in the morning. But yeah, so this is what the final, well, no, this is not what the final look is. I will show you what the final look looks like when I get to my destination and fill in the gaps. But right now, I'm gonna take my behind to sleep.